2017 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, universal garage door opener, power door locks, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, leather seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.